Hi everyone, welcome to Telugu Trader Samanth. Before we start stocks for tomorrow, the headline is Holy Grail exists or not. So, is Holy Grail really available in stock market? If it is real, why people are not finding out? Or if really people finding out, if really people able to find out, why they are not coming in front of the world to leak someone or to explain someone. Okay, so just a small example, it's not a big video. See, yesterday Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, the stocks rallied more than 7%. Okay, when it has rallied 7%, 2200 call option of HAL previous close was around 13.74 rupees and its high made was 58 rupees. So it's rallied more than 292%. Okay, so my doubt is, actually my query is, actually who is moving the price? Big shots are moving the price. So to decode them, technical analysis always helps a trader. If they do hard work, definitely they can find out whether how these stocks actually are rallying more than 100%, 2%, 200% in a single day. Suppose you have 10,000 investment becoming 20,000, 30,000 within a day. And not only this HAL, at least about 20 stocks rallying more than 100 to 200%, at least 50% they are giving returns. So if you are aggressive trader, if you are a really interested trader, you can do hard work on that. You can use multiple technical analysis. You can find out them. Okay. What I mean to say here is, number of times I have catched multiple stock options, like multi-bagger stock options. Even I have shown in live that I bought somewhere 50 rupees and I sold somewhere 200 rupees. Recently Indian Mart also I have bought around 120 rupees and I sold around 235 rupees, which one 4200 CD. Currently it is trading above 400 rupees. So some experiments I am doing myself. Still whipsaws are there, backlog, some loopholes are there. Still I am preparing that setup to give consistent returns in stock options as well, not only indices options, even indices options also. If you cross check in Telegram channel, I gave 36,700 P around 18 rupees to 23 rupees. It high made 400 rupees within 30 minutes. So big shot know this, where to buy the options, where to sell the options, which stocks are going to trade aggressively by next day. They know everything. So you may ask me that if you know really, why don't you trade yourself? I am trading myself. If you observe, I am not leaking, or I am not explaining, I am not making any video about how these stocks will move, how these stock options are actually moving. I know I have some data about that, but it not required to tell all people, because a lot of hard work is there. Why should I tell? We should be very selfish if we are really making money. Few people are there in India, throughout India. Personally, they don't come in front of the world. They don't teach. Nothing they will maintain. They are making some 100 crores of rupees since a decade. They are making lakhs of turnover every day, but they are not helping others, because it should be there. Everyone somehow should have some control over their hard work. Okay, no one will tell that, but as of now, from my channel, I am helping that, giving some updations about indices options and giving some stocks every day, 3 stocks. Even if you follow that 3 stocks over a quarterly or a half yearly, your account will be in green only. If you cross check the data by following rules, it will be reflecting green only. Okay, as per from my side, I am helping these 3 stocks and stock options and indices options sometimes. Okay, so if I really know the Holy Grail, yes, I know something is there, definitely every day something happening in market. I know about the Holy Grail, but I am not reaching the exactly point where the prices are blasting like a diamonds, or like a unreactor, like atom bombs. Okay, so for that, I want to give you some example that, see, if you observe M&M rallied yesterday 1275 rupees, right? So if you check M&M 1275, so it's rallied more than 3%. So we'll check 1260 of M&M call option. See, this is the stock options, and where it is. We'll check here about M&M. Directly we check in site. See, suppose if you type M&M, 1260 M and then August 1260 CE. We cross check with the data with the Samanth on 1 day chart. Okay, so this is the M&M chart on one day time frame. So the previous close is 25 rupees, and today it's closed about 41 rupees within a day. So the prices are moving rapidly sometimes. So some analysis there. No one will, if I really know about that holy grail or why the stock options becoming double or rallying more than 200-300%, why should I tell others? No one will tell you that. Even I don't tell you. Yes, as part, I will help myself to give something. Okay, especially these three stocks, sometimes indices options. Okay, so this is rallied more than 60 to 70% by comparing to previous day close. Okay, when the stock options moves double, rallies more than 100-200%, the stock price has to rally more than 5% either upside or either downside. It has to decline 5% or it has to go upward direction 5%. Then only the stock options, the in the money or at the money options will become double or triple, like that. That is the example. Okay, you have to do a lot of hard work. See, people think that the stock options or whatever indices options, they are very easy. Somewhere we have to buy, somewhere it has to swing. We will make a profit. It takes at least 1 year to do hard groundwork on options trading, just to understand the basics. Just understand the basic. It takes at least 1 year. Actually, why the prices are moving, why the options are introduced, actually how we can make profit from them, actually what is the stop loss for that, and what is the time value, especially stock options moves, even whatever the options moves based on the time decay or time value. Okay, so we have to focus on all these various things. We have to learn this, then only we can enter, then only we can make something. Even I am doing hard work in options more than 8 years. I got some good grip, still I am going trying myself best and giving something people. So what you have to do is, just my sample is, if you observe 1900 CE, 1900 PEL, okay, this one. So what do you do is, buy it between 30 to 35 rupees by tomorrow. The target will be 60 rupees and plus 90 rupees. The price has to vary between 30-35 rupees to between 30-35 rupees. It has to rally more than 100 to 200% between. Just to focus on this PEL, I am not explaining that what technicals I am using, how it has to go, how it has to rally. I am not leaking or I am not telling anything about this. Just I am giving a clue, because I am already holding PEL 1900 CE from 32 rupees. If it is make 75 or 100 rupees, definitely I will share my screenshot in Telegram channel. Here I can't, even if I make video tomorrow, definitely I will share it. But I am holding it from 32 rupees. My stop loss is 18 rupees. Okay, because the price is reversed from 18 rupees only. Since 3 or 4 sessions it is reversed from 18 rupees. So my target is 60 and plus 90. Just to focus on this. Just I am giving a clue about this. Okay. About just a PEL, lot of stocks are there, lot of options are there. They have to move technically. Definitely they have to move, and they have to keep upon in green only. Somewhere we collapse when we don't have much capital. We should not trade. See, stock options actually we will get success above. If I have more than 3 lakhs rupees only, we may control by emotion. Okay, so my personal advice is, even if you have knowledge or experience, if you have more than 3 lakhs rupees, then only better to go with the stock options. If it hits stop loss, you have to bear 50-60,000 loss in a month. Sometimes within 10 days you will lose 50 to 60,000 rupees. If you trade with 1 lakh capital and if you lost 50 to 60,000, psychologically you fail. Psychologically you may struggle. You may not do a proper trading. Your entries may be wrong. These type of things you have to face. So my personal advice is stock options only above 3 lakhs capital holders only. Okay, so keep this word in your mind, then only proceed, because risk is there in stock market. Not only in this business, everywhere risk is there if you have not proper knowledge. Okay, so focus on PEL 1900 CE. Stop loss is around 18 rupees and entry would be 30 to 35 rupees between, and target is 60 to 90 rupees. Okay, it has to become double within 3 days. I think 3 or 4 days maximum Monday I am expecting. Let's see what will happen. Okay, and coming to stocks, those are regular traders. Just they want to make some small money step by step with small capital. I am giving stocks. So these are the stocks for tomorrow. We are going to trade Cipla, Escorts and Glenmark. These are the 3 stocks. Okay, note down these levels and follow the rules. I am mentioning the rules here. Okay. And one more thing is that previous day I gave Reliance, I gave Reliance performed very well. It is closed in profit only. Divi's Lab hit the stop loss, and Tata Chemicals active buy side, but the price is closed with a 1 or 2 points loss around our entry point after 315. It was trading between 950 to 920 entry. 959 to 958 to 960 rupees only. It was trading around the entry point only. So it doesn't mean that every time you have to make profit. Every stock should be rocketed once you enter. It is not like that. But ultimately, the thing is that you are making money from markets or not. That is the important thing. Focus on that. Okay. It takes a lot of years. You have to do a lot of hard work. You have to, yes, as I said earlier, Holy Grail is there, but you have to do hard work for that. Sure, you will find them. Okay, and even I will try to give some inputs actually how they are moving. Okay, see, the market runs nearly 6 hours a day. The chart is visible for everyone, and the thing is that how you identify the bullet points from that 6-hour chart, that may be 5 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, 1 hour time frame, whatever. It is visible for everyone. That may be 1 day chart or hourly chart or minutes chart. It is visible for everyone. But the thing is that how you are identifying your entries. Only few people understanding the chart value, the chart movements. They only making money, and they are not making a smaller like 100 or 200 rupees. They are making every day lakhs of rupees with their investment and with their experience. Okay, so you have to focus on that. Even I will try to give some suggestions, and even I will try to give some inputs why the chart is moving actually, why the stock options moving actually. We'll try to explain in future. Okay, before that I will try my best to give something best to you. Those are following me regularly. Okay, so this is the updation for tomorrow. And coming to Nifty, within 1 minute I will tell you. See, as we have discussed in previous video, see, Nifty not closed above 15,595, 15,600 it has to break, then only it will go 8111 like that. Okay, don't follow the news. Some CPI data is there. These are the blah blah blah. Technical analysis is the perfect then news following. Okay, so Nifty not closed above 17,600, so it has to close above this only to hit 8111. Else if price closed below this candle or between this candle of 12th April 22, the price may come down to nearly 17,000 again. But coming to Bank Nifty is really very aggressive, and it is closed. It was closed above 12th April above candle only, but be cautious because both indices should move together either upside or downside, but Nifty is still struggling. If it is close above, then you can aim for the 39,000, about 39,000 target. Already the price is closed about 12th April based on time analysis. Let's see what will happen. Tomorrow we may see sideways move only, but within 3 or 4 days we may see a good rally. I am expecting downside. Let's see whether it goes up or downside, but as of now I am bearish from current MRP because of Nifty movement. Okay, let's see what will happen. Only risk management, stop loss will be in our hand, and the remaining targets always it's up to big shot. Even if you are a 1000 crores account holder, the targets will be in big shot's hand only, not in your hand. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching video. We'll meet again.